Hey there, welcome back to Say It Right. Today's word might look tricky, but don't worry. We'll break it down together. The word is subtle. So, how do you say it? The correct pronunciation is subtle. Notice anything missing? That's right. The B is silent. Let's break it down step by step. The first part is like in sudden. The second part is tull, a soft ending that blends quickly. Now, say it with me. Subtle. One more time. Subtle. Great job. So, what does subtle mean? It describes something delicate, not obvious, or understated. For example, a subtle flavor in food means it's not too strong. Or a subtle hint in a conversation is a small clue, not direct. Or a subtle color isn't too bright, it's soft and gentle. Fun fact. Did you know? The word subtle comes from the Latin subtilis, meaning fine or delicate. And in Middle English, the B was actually pronounced. But over time, it became silent, just like in debt and doubt. Some people mistakenly say subtilis, pronouncing the B, but now you know the B is silent. Now the spelling tip, it's spelled subtle. Now that you've got it, you can say subtle with confidence, whether you're talking about soft colors, quiet hints, or delicate flavors. Let's say it one last time together. Subtle. You got it. Thanks for watching Say It Right. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves learning new words. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.